The year is 1940. America is on the brink of change. The world is at war, and the automobile industry is about to evolve in ways no one could predict. But before that transformation, one car stood out as a final masterpiece of its time, the 1940 LaSalle Series 52. This was the last model of the legendary LaSalle brand, a car that embodied style, innovation, and luxury. Today, we take a deep dive into this iconic vehicle, its history, design, performance, and why it remains a cherished collector's item. LaSalle was introduced in 1927 as a companion brand to Cadillac. Designed by Harley Earl, the man behind General Motors' revolutionary styling, LaSalle was meant to bridge the gap between the high-end Cadillac and the more affordable Buick. It quickly gained a reputation for elegance and performance, offering customers a taste of Cadillac luxury at a slightly lower price point. But by 1940, LaSalle was struggling. General Motors decided that the brand had run its course. The Series 52 would be LaSalle's final production model, marking the end of an era. The 1940 LaSalle Series 52 was a true work of art. Designed under Harley Earl's guidance, it featured a bold, streamlined look that was unmistakably Cadillac-inspired. The most striking feature was its massive chrome grille, which extended from the hood to the bumper, giving the car a distinctive, high-end appearance. It also had sealed beam headlights, which were a cutting-edge feature at the time, along with sleek fender lines and optional running boards. The result, a car that looked both futuristic and elegant, perfect for the luxury market of the era. But the 1940 LaSalle wasn't just about looks, it packed serious performance too. Under the hood was a 322 cubic inch, 5.3L monoblock V8 engine, producing 130 horsepower. This engine was shared with Cadillac models, making LaSalle one of the most powerful and smooth-riding cars of its class. The 3-speed manual transmission provided a solid driving experience, and thanks to its advanced suspension system, the Series 52 delivered a ride quality that was quiet, smooth, and comfortable. Step inside, and you're greeted by true 1940s luxury. The LaSalle featured plush upholstery, a spacious cabin, and Art Deco-inspired dashboard designs. It had a full set of gauges, a classic banjo-style steering wheel, and even options like a factory-installed radio, a rare treat at the time. Every inch of the LaSalle exuded craftsmanship, making it not just a car, but a rolling piece of art. Despite its beauty and engineering excellence, the LaSalle brand came to an end in 1940. General Motors decided to absorb the LaSalle lineup into Cadillac, meaning the 1941 Cadillac Series 61 took over where LaSalle left off. But LaSalle's influence didn't vanish. Many of the styling and mechanical innovations of LaSalle lived on in Cadillac models throughout the 1940s and beyond. Today, the 1940 LaSalle Series 52 is a highly sought-after collector's item. Its unique styling, Cadillac DNA, and historical significance make it a gem for classic car enthusiasts. Well-maintained models can fetch prices upwards of $50,000, depending on condition. Restoring a LaSalle is no easy task, but for those who love vintage automobiles, owning one of these rare beauties is like owning a piece of automotive history. The 1940 LaSalle Series 52 wasn't just another car, it was a symbol of a changing era. As the world moved towards modernity, LaSalle bowed out gracefully, leaving behind a legacy of innovation, luxury, and style. If you ever get the chance to see one of these masterpieces in person, take a moment to appreciate the craftsmanship that made it special. This has been Auto Universe, bringing you the stories of classic cars that shaped the automotive world. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more vintage car content. Until next time, keep your engines running and your passion for cars alive.